Welcome all of you to another video of Maths Made Easy. Okay, so today in this chapter we are going to take up in this video number system. Okay, number system from the 6th standard syllabus. This is the very first chapter and I am taking up the very first exercise from S.Agarwal today. Okay, so from S.Agarwal this is the very first exercise that I am taking up. So anybody who is not working from S.Agarwal will still find this video useful. Maybe you are using some other textbook of 6th standard syllabus, but still you will find this video useful because all the same sums, you will find the same sums in both the in all books of 6th standard. So even if you are not using S.Agarwal, go through the video till the end because we are going to take up one after the other the different types of sums. In the first exercise, there's quite a few type of sums I have seen in this exercise. So we are going to take up one after the other the sums from this exercise, the types, and we are going to solve them so that you can solve the entire exercise on your own. So watch the video till the end because there's lots of types of sums explained as I said. Okay, then let us start. Now here, number system. What is number system? Number system is all about the when we are given a number, we are given a big number. Okay, we have heard of millions, billions, trillions, we have heard of crores, we have heard of lakhs, crores, thousands. So how do we understand how much that number is? There is a system followed in naming a number. So basically in this chapter we are learning to name the number. Okay, so very first I am going to take up the Indian number system. Okay, number system in the Indian method. So the Indian number system. Now in the Indian system of numbering, supposing I give you a number which is like this, 9457201. Okay, so I have given you a number like this. Now in this number I have to number it. I just can't be telling everybody 9457201. I need to name this number. So this numbering is done according to the places. Okay, which place is occupied by, every place has its own value. Starting from the right, the first place is the ones place or the units place. Yeah. The second place is the tens place. The third place is the hundreds place. The fourth place is the thousands place. Yeah, this is the thousands place. So you see, it is the rightmost one is the ones place, then comes the tens, then the hundreds, and then comes the thousands place. Okay, then this is the 10,000s place. 10,000s place. Okay, and then comes the lakhs place. Lakhs place, and then comes the 10 lakhs place. Yeah. After that, supposing I have a 7, then that becomes the crores. Yes. So we will not go beyond the crores. Okay. Now how do we understand this? Supposing, see, after here the first 3, now this is divided into periods. Okay. This number system is divided into periods. We have the first period which is the ones period, and these two form the thousands period. Okay, these form the lakhs period, and this, after this, two of them will form the crores period. So these are called periods. Okay, the crores, the lakhs period. So these two lakhs period, these two thousands, these two are the ones, and this is the crores. We can take one more for crores. Okay, so now here we also need to put commas in the right places in order to understand 79457201. So comma here first, then according to the periods we'll put commas. So it is easy for us to understand. Not only that, After 7, there are 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Yes, there are 7 places after the 7. So that is, after 7 you get 7 places. That means not after 7, that is after crores there should always be 7 places. After lakhs there should always be 5 places. Lakhs there should be 5 places. Okay, and after thousands, so this is how we understand, there should be 3 places. Okay, 3 places. Now that those places can be filled up with anything. Those places can be filled up with anything, but there should be 3 places. Okay, so this is what we should remember. Okay, so it makes it very easy for us to understand that this, if I have after this, see after this 94 we have 5 places, so we say 94 lakhs. So this number, if we are going to write in words, then we will say 7 crores 94 lakhs 57,201. Okay, so 7 crores 94 lakhs 57,201. Okay, so I'll write it for you all. Let me write it for you all. 7 crores 94 lakhs 57,201. Okay, 201. So this is the 7 crores 94 lakhs 57,201 is the writing in words. Okay, now let me take one more sum quickly and show you how it is written in words. So now this is 3420019. Okay, clearly this is the ones period, this is the thousands period. Okay, and then comes the lakhs period. This particular number has no crores. Okay, so this is 34. See, after 34 there are 5 places, so this is 34 lakhs. 34 lakhs 20,000 and 19, because there is no number in the hundreds place, so straight we are going to write and 19. Okay, so next, supposing we have, okay, they have given us one number in words. How will we change? If they have given us one number in words, how will we change to the how will we change it to numerals? Okay, change to numerals. So change to numerals or write in numeral. Okay, change to numerals or write in numeral. So supposing 6 crore 5 lakh 57. They have given us the question like this: 6 crore 5 lakh 57. Okay, 6 crore 5 lakh 57. So how do I write it in numerals? First thing is, now the number is 6 crore 5 lakh 57. Okay, 6 crore 5 lakh and 57. So I'll first write 6, put a comma. In the lakh places, there is no 10 lakhs. So in 10 lakh place, I put a 0, then I put the 5. There is no 1000 in this. So 10,000 and 1000, 2 zeros. There is no 100 also in this. So 0. Then 57. Okay, look at the commas. They are separating out the periods. Now here 6 crore 5 lakh 57. This is 6 crore 5 lakh 57. Do you see after the 6 there are 7 places? So this is 6 crore. After the 5 there are 5 places. So it is again after 5 there are 5 places. That means it is lakhs. Okay. So let me take another one. 12 crore 12 lakh 12,012. 12 crore 12 lakh 12,012. Now if it is like this, 12 crore 12 lakh 12,012, interesting number. So 12 crore, write that 12, put a comma. Crore is out. Okay, 12 lakh, put a 12 and out. Okay, I am constantly counting the number of digits after 12. Okay, after the crore, after the lakh, 12,000. Now here also 12,000 and comma. Okay, and then 12. There is no 100 here. This is the number. Okay, so after 12 crore note there are 7 places. After 12 lakh there are 5 places. After 12,000 there are 3 places. So this is how I keep on and on checking. Okay, so this is 12 crore 12 lakhs 12,000 and 12. Okay, so this is how we write in numerals in the Indian system. So I showed you both one number to words, one word to number. Now there is something called the expanded form. Okay, expanded form. Okay, the expanded form. What is the expanded form? Now see, if I have 15 comma 768, yes, 15 comma 768. Now here this one I'll have to write in the expanded form. What I'll do is I'll take this first one is equal to 1 into, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 15,000, right? So there should be 10,000 after this. So it is number of places here, that many zeros. Yeah. Okay. So that is, I am getting this value, the place value of this. Next comes to the plus. Okay. Plus. Now this is 5 into how many zeros? Places for how many zeros? There is place for 3. So 1000. Yeah. Plus now 7 into 100. I'll get my 700. Plus 6 into 10. Plus 8 into 1. This is my expanded form. Now I have written it like this. You can also write it in one straight line. Generally in maths you don't write in a straight line. Okay. But then in this particular thing, you can write in expanded form. You can always write in expanded form. Let me take up another one. 6 comma 06 06006. Very interesting looking number. Okay, here 6. So this is, first I'll have to understand, this is 6 crore. Yeah, 6 lakh, 6,000 and 6. Okay, so 6 into 7 zeros, because I need to have this full place. Count the number of zeros. 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That gives me this 6 crore plus 6 lakhs. So 5 zeros plus 6,000. So 3 zeros. Remember, it's not 60,000. Okay. So 6 into 1,000. Okay. Remember, it is not 60,000, but it is 6,000. Plus nothing in hundreds, nothing in tens. So 6 into 1 straight away. So this is the expanded form of this. Okay. I'm I'm trying to do two sums from each of the mains. Okay, I'll do two sums from each of the mains, so that should help you to do the entire exercise. Okay. Now in this sum, they have given in the expanded form and I will write in the condensed form. It is 6 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 5 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 4 into 1. Okay. So this is, okay, now this is 4 into 1. Now here it is, I am going to write them in a numeral form from the expanded form. Now what I should do here is, first 6 into 1000, okay, just put the zeros, you don't have to do rough work for this. This is 60,000, 2000 plus 500 plus 80 plus 4, that is 62,000, 60,000 plus 2,000, 62,500. I'm adding it, 84, sum done. Okay, then supposing it is 3 into, this is 7 zeros plus 4 into 5 zeros plus 6 into 3 zeros plus 5 into 100 plus 7 into 1. Now I'll write it in the numeral form. First it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 3 crores. Okay, when you multiply, you just have to write the number and put in the number of zeros that is there here. Okay, just put it. That is how you multiply a number with tens, hundreds, thousands. Then 4 into, okay, plus 6,000 plus 500 plus 7. Okay, so this is 30. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is 3 crores. 3 crores. Now put a comma. This is 4 lakhs. So 4 lakhs, I'll have to leave a 0 and then write 4 lakhs, because 4 lakhs also has the 10 lakhs place which they have not told. So 4 lakhs, because nothing is at 6 zeros. Then comes 6,000, nothing in the 10,000 place, so 0 there, 6,000. Then 6,000, sorry, this is 500, not 5,000. 6,500, nothing in the tens place, put a 0 in the tens place. You can see nothing has been multiplied with a 10, and then put a 7. So 3 lakhs, 3 crores, 4 lakhs, 6,500 and 7 is your numeral. So if you are in too much of a hurry, you can miss the steps sometimes, depending of course on the amount of on the number assigned to the sum. Okay, so now let's come to something called place value. Now you have never done place value before this. It is something very, very simple. What is it? Supposing I have a number 347029. Okay, and let me put a 9 here also. Okay, so the place value of the 9 here is 9 only. Okay, because it is in the ones place. The place value of the 9 here is, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 93,47,029. Okay, so this is 90 lakhs place value of this 9. So though both of them are 9s, the place value of this 9 is 90 lakhs. The place value of this 9 is a 9 only. Okay, it depends on the place. How much value does that digit carry? Okay, let's take 3 here. 3 is 34. This is 93 lakhs, no? So this is 3 lakhs. Place value of this is 3 lakhs. For the 4 it is 40,000. Yeah, 40,000. For the 7 it is 7,000. And for the 2 it is 20. Yes, for the 2 it is 20. Okay, so we have, so this is how we arrange them. This is what place value is. Let me take another number, 6144902. Now if I take this number, there are two 4s here. For this 4, the place value is 4000. But for the next 4, the place value is 40,000. This is the meaning of place value. Okay, I hope now I am very clear. Place value of this is how much? This is 60 lakhs. This is 1 lakh. 61 lakhs 44,902. Okay, so that is the meaning of place value. We are going to do a few sums on this. What is the difference between the place value of the nines? Okay, what is the difference between the place value of the nines is the sum. Here there is one 9 and here there is another 9. Place value of this 9 is a 900 and place value of the other 9 is a, this is 20,000, this is 95 lakhs. So this is 9 lakhs. Okay. So now I will subtract. So from 9 lakhs, how do you write 9 lakhs? Be careful, 9 and 5 zeros makes 9 lakhs. There should be always 5 places after when you say lakhs. And subtract the 900 from this. Okay. So this is the answer. So it is 8,99,100. That is the difference between the place value of the 2 lakhs. Okay. So how many 6-digit number are there in all? Okay, how many 6-digit numbers are there in all? Now what does it mean? The 3-digit numbers start from, let's say the 3-digit numbers start from 100, right? And the largest 3-digit number is 999. Yes. Okay. So if we want to find how many 3-digit numbers are there, we will subtract 999 minus 100, and that is 899 numbers are there after starting from 101 to 999. Okay, but then we missed one 3-digit number, that is the 100 itself. So what we do? 899 plus 1. Okay, and that is equal to, there are 900 3-digit numbers. Okay, so there are a total of 900 3-digit numbers. Now this same concept I am going to apply for 6 digits. Okay, it's not going to be different, it is going to be exactly the same. That is why I taught you one small one first, because when it comes to 6 digit you might get a little confused. So 6-digit number, first 6-digit number, the smallest 6-digit number is 1 and 5 zeros. Yes, that makes how much? 1 lakh. Yes, and the largest 6-digit number is, right, 6 nines. That is the largest 6-digit number. Now if I subtract, because how many are there? Yes, and how many are there? I am subtracting like I did for the 3-digit numbers. Okay, so from 9,99,999 I am subtracting 1 lakh. 9999 and this is 98. Okay, then I missed this number. Actually when I subtract, this is also gone, so I'll add 1 to it. Okay, and then when I add 1 to it, it comes to, this is, if I should write the 1 in the proper place, yeah, 10 10 10 10 10 9. So this comes to 9 lakh. There are 9 lakh 6-digit numbers. There are 9 lakh 6-digit numbers. That is between this and this, all the 6-digit numbers we have counted. We can't be counting them, right? We can never count them. So we will have to take it with calculations. Now there is a question like, how many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make a lakh? How many thousands make a lakh? Now this is one question which always confuses the students. Okay, this is one question always students will be confused. Just write a lakh first. Write a lakh. I have written lakh 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have written more than a lakh. Okay, 1 lakh is 5 zeros. 1000 is here with 3 zeros, 1000. Whatever is to the left, 100. 100 thousands. Okay, no calculations. Make a lakh. Make a lakh. This is your answer. How many thousands make a crore? I'll just change this. Crore. Okay. So this is crore means how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is a crore. How many thousands? That is thousands. That many, whatever is coming to the left of that is thousands. Now that many thousands, because after 1000 there should be 3 zeros. So whatever is to the left we consider as 1000. How many? 10,000, right? 10,000. 4 zeros, that makes 10,000. Okay. So 10,000s make a crore. Okay, 10,000s make a crore. So simple thing, same question. I just changed to lakh to crore here. Here I changed the number and here I changed the words. So now 10,000s, because see, this is 10,000, this. 10,000s make a crore. So this is how you should calculate. You can do it in the main place also. No need to do it in the rough place. Now here is a question that is also commonly asked. What comes just after this? What comes just after this? Okay, so here don't try to do it orally. Even if it is come in an MCQ, you should try to do it by the way I am telling. Just add a 1 to it. 10, then 10, okay, 10, 8, okay, then 4, then 5, then 9, okay. So that gives, this is what comes just after this. This is, see, 95 lakhs 48,000 comes just after 95 lakhs 47,999. Okay, so what comes just before? What comes just before 1 crore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. See, this is 1 crore. Okay, what comes just before this? Again, no oral business in this. Subtract 1 from this. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9 and a 9. Okay, so before a crore, what comes is this, see, 99 lakhs 99,999. So if you try to do this orally, sometimes you put 1 9 extra or 1 9 less, all that happens. So don't do all that, don't take risk, do it like this exactly. Okay, so that was it from this class, from this video in number system. First chapter, S.Agarwal. This is part 1, which has not covered the full of the exercise 1. I will be taking a second part of this. So this first exercise will be done in 2 parts, part 1 and part 2. So what y'all can do is, y'all can first see this video, then see the part 2. Part 2 is going to come up next. So there also we shall be covering the international system and few more types of sums from the Indian system as well. Okay, so that's it for today. If you have liked the video, do not forget to like it. You can always post a comment if you have liked the video, and I shall be waiting for your comments. And please share the video with friends who you think will benefit from this video. Thanks all of you. Bye then.